while the Zimbabwe African National Union Patriotic Front, ZANU-PF, presents a united front in the public regarding the 2030 agenda, the corridors of Politburo are echoing with whispers of betrayal. A secret faction, composed of senior members who feel sidelined by the current administration, is quietly mobilizing to block the Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3. This internal resistance is not fundamentally about preserving democracy. Rather, it is a high-stakes battle for survival and succession. Betrayal in Politburo, secret ZANU-PF faction of senior officials ready to block mnangagwa's 2030 extension. Subscribe or like it on the bell icon. The proposed constitutional changes have ignited a fierce power struggle within the ruling party. These dissenting members fear that extending the presidential term from 5 to 7 years, thereby allowing President Mnangagwa to stay in power until 2030, will permanently block their own paths to leadership. Long-serving loyalists are increasingly vocal in private, expressing that the so-called new dispensation is morphed into a closed circle. The conspiracy taking shape relies heavily on silent vote strategy. To understand the gravity of the internal rift, one must look back the events of November 2017, the military intervention that ousted long-time ruler President Mugabe was reportedly underpinned by an informal agreement between Mnangagwa and his then military chief, Zanu. Sources suggest the understanding was that Mnangagwa would serve a single term before stepping aside for Chiwenga. However, as early as 2018, Mnangagwa's allies began pushing for his continued rule, effectively aligning his deputy. Today, the succession question has become the central organizing principle of elite politics in Zimbabwe, and 2026 is proving to be the most explosive year of ZANU-PF's internal battles. The biggest threat to the 2030 agenda does not come from the fragmented political opposition, but from within the party's own ranks. VP Chiwenga, who has long resisted efforts to extend Mnangagwa's rule behind closed doors, recently brought the fight into public domain. 5 April 2026, speaking at the Roman Catholic Church in Burewa, Mashonaland East Province, Chiwenga delivered a sermon that many interpreted as a direct challenge to the president. Drawing a scripture, he invoked the story of King Hezekiah, a ruler who was granted an extra 15 years of life, only to see his kingdom unravel. While Chiwenga did not name Mnangagwa directly, the parallel was unmistakable. He framed his remarks around ethical governance, warning that personal longevity should not be gambled against national stability. Thoma developments and kudapangwa ino pina kuma section menus of ngura imo kudipa msiro page yitu issue. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.